UAE being one of those places जो कि hottest होते हैं on earth, with temperature rising, what are the common battery related issues that we tend to face over here?
Wonderful. A very, very relevant question. And it's very, very, I would say, relevant with this particular topic. I would like to slightly rewind on this or to rephrase this question. Generally, the Gulf is considered to be one of the harshest climates for automotive batteries worldwide.
Okay.
There are two things which influence badly a battery. One is the cold and one is the heat. Cold when you go down to like -18 in cold countries, and the heat which are extremities here. However, batteries are designed to work even up to a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. So you can imagine, the temperature under a car bonnet can go up to 70 degrees when outside is 50 degrees Celsius. So batteries are well designed for these particular conditions. Where your problem occurs is not by the battery itself. It occurs by your driving conditions, which are influenced by the temperature. For example, now the heat is too much. So you will have more air conditioning running in your car all the time.
Correct.
This increases the load on the battery.
Correct.
So what happens over a period of time, certain habits that we have is what affects the life of your battery.
Okay.
Keeping the AC running all the time, not switching off the AC when you're going into the supermarket, you're afraid your car's going to get cold. So very clearly, one thing which all the listeners must understand and which is a myth, if your car is on idle, your battery does not charge.
Okay.
Your battery only charges when you're moving over 2000 RPM.
Okay.
And at least 16 kilometers to recover the amount of energy lost when you start your car.
Okay.